Did you know that over 1 million people are making $10,000 monthly from side hustles? These aren't full-time entrepreneurs, they're regular folks monetizing their skills and passions for significant extra income. In 2024, I expect this number to soar. With the gig economy's rise and online business ease, creating a side hustle that earns full-time income is more accessible than ever. We've all felt stuck in a 9-to-5, yearning for more income but unsure where to start. Limited time, resources, and knowledge often hold us back, discouraging us from pursuing additional income streams. The truth is, generating extra income takes dedication and patience. The biggest hurdle is often not knowing where to begin, feeling overwhelmed by abundant information and fearing wasted effort. What if there are proven side hustles that can realistically bring in $10,000 monthly? These don't require significant capital or experience but offer the potential for a full-time income. One exciting side hustle is affiliate marketing. By promoting products and earning a commission for sales, you can monetize your online presence with minimal upfront costs and grow as you succeed. Another promising option is creating and selling online courses. Share your expertise on platforms like Udemy or your website, earning income repeatedly with minimal ongoing effort. For those in creative fields, consider freelancing as a graphic designer or writer. These in-demand skills can be offered to businesses needing branding or content creation assistance. The secret to $10,000 monthly? Consistency. Consistent effort, marketing, and value delivery are crucial for building a successful side hustle and achieving full-time income. Focus on building an engaged email list. With trust and value, you can promote products, offer exclusive deals, and sell high-ticket items, turning subscribers into a valuable audience. In this video, we've explored $10,000 monthly side hustles and the importance of consistency. What side hustle will you pursue in 2024? Share in the comments below. Thanks for watching.